Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own 3D NFT. So for the past few months now, 3D NFTs believe in being in trend. People have been asking how this NFT is being made. So I'm going to cover that in this video. But before I start this video, I urge you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy NFT based kind of content, because basically that's what we do here. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. Now, to create these NFTs, we need some sort of 3D software. So for this video, I'm going to be using Blender. So Blender is basically a free open source graphical editing software, which basically focus on 3D items, 3D objects. So now to get this Blender, all you have to do is type in Blender in Google, then click on the first link to download it. So after downloading this, you should know about what to do about the installation. So now we have Blender installed. Let's open it up. The first thing you see, this cute little animated girl here. As you can see here, I'm using Blender 3.0.1. So what you have to do here is actually click out of this box. The next thing you're gonna see by default is this cube, which is always here by default. Actually, you can hit G to move this around. Also, you can also rotate this just as you please. So to move around the 3D space, all you have to do is click on your middle mouse button, and here you can move it around. So to delete this cube, hit X on your keyboard and you can have it delete. Now to undo, all you have to do is hit Ctrl Z and boom, you have the box back. So you could also change the color of this box by hitting display. So pick the color you actually need. So we selected the color, but it's not actually showing up here. All you want to do is go over to the render view over here and hit this. So now you can see we have the color popping up on the box, on the cube, sorry. So for this video, actually we are not going to be needing this cube. So once again, all I want to do is hit X and delete. So well, actually you can create your very own 3D model here. But you know, this could be really frustrating and time wasting, also confusing, especially where you don't know what you're doing. So for this video, we are going to be using an already made, or let's say a pre-made 3D model. So what I want to do is head over to the first link in the description. So this is TurboSquid, where we're actually going to get our free Blender models. So what I want to do here is click on Blender models. Most of these Blender models here ain't free, so what I want to do is go back to this price section and click on free. So basically these are the free assets which you can download. Pick the one you think will be great for your NFT project and you can actually download it. So this is free. This is an iPhone 13. So just make a choice here. So to download this, you have to pick one, click over to the download section over here, and then you'll be directed to the download page. So what I want to do is click on this zip icon right here, and then to be downloaded onto your system. So what I want to do is I'm going to cancel this. I already have a pre-downloaded 3D model of my own. One more thing, when downloading your model here, be sure you download exactly the version for Blender. As it says here, Blender version 2.9.2.92. So just be sure you are downloading the right, because this is for 3D Mask and Autodesk. So if you actually download this, you will be able to open this up in Blender. So this is my downloaded 3D model from which I downloaded from TurboSquid. Be sure to extract these files. So now head into Blender. Click on file, then just open right here, and then you have to select the file you just downloaded, which is I'm gonna be using the share wheel. So click on open. You should have the wheel all opened up. So you have the camera here. This basically is the camera. This is how you're gonna view the 3D model after it's been rendered out. To go into the camera view, all you have to do is hit in numpad 0. So this basically is how it's gonna look after we've exported this out. So now to add textures to this, all you have to do is click on this icon right here, and go into UV editor. So this models actually comes default with its textures, but if you don't want to use this main texture, you can basically import yours. So let's pick the base color here. So this actually is the base color. So now I want to scroll down here to this material properties, click this to make sure this is in principled BSDF section, or make sure that it's selected. So I want to click on this little dot right here and go into image texture. So now I want to select the same texture which we selected in this UV editor layout. So still the same base color. So we have added the texture to this wheel. First you have to go into edit mode over here. So once you're in edit mode, you have to click on this little icon here which says render properties. So make sure this is set to EV and not cycles. So once you have that all set, click on this render view and then go back to object mode. So now you should clearly see the textures has been added. If you want to add texture, you can just add in colors, that same material properties. Just instead of choosing this, just click on this and you can basically choose the colors which you want. But we're not going to be doing that now. We're going to be using the texture which it came with. So now it's time to add in the background to this. So what I want to do is click on this thingy again and go over to outliner. Now you want to hide in this wheel. Click on this little icon right here. So now we've hidden the wheel. I want to click on plane. This is actually the plane which we selected. Now go into the color section, select in the color you want in for the background. We're going to be using this blue color. Looks really nice though. So now you can actually bring back your wheels. Let's go back to the camera view, numpad 0, to see how it actually looks like. So it's looking nice. You can actually add more thing obviously, but for this tutorial I'm just going to try and make it short. You can really add more materials or more models which is downloaded from TurboSquid. So now let's go into render image. So we're basically going to export this as a PNG file. Now I want to click on, so after clicking on that, I have to give it some time till it shows this frame 0 time. That means it's done rendering. So you want to click on image and save as. Make sure you select the download location over here. I want to give this a name. I'm going to name this as wheel. So now click on save image. Save image. So now let's go over there to pictures. You can see over here we have the images. So now we can simply upload this file up to OpenSea and hit on create. Now you have your very own 3D NFT created. So that'll be all for this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. If you have any question, be sure to hit me up in the comment section. I'll be sure to help.